Hello, welcome to the eMart customer app. So today let's see the workflow of the eMart cab service. So click on a cab service. Here you can see the home screen of the cab service. The top banners. Here is showing the ride and intercity option, ride option and intercity option. So I am going go with the ride option. Click on a ride. Here select the source location. Click on a departure and select the location from map. Select destination location. Click continue button. Select vehicle type, that which types of the vehicle you want to go. So I am selecting SUV. Select the payment method. I am go with the send it payment. Click continue. Okay, so ride booking is created. Now this ride request is go to the driver. So let's open the driver app, and on a driver app wait for the order coming. Okay, so on the driver side order is received successfully. So let's accept the order. Here as you can see, new ride request notification and ride accepted push notification. So the driver can send a message to the customer, and driver can also call to the customer. So click on a message icon, send message to the customer. Okay, after driver accept the ride, customer can see the driver details. Here you can see the driver details, the driver name, car name, call icon and message icon. So click on a message icon. Customer can also communicate with driver. And by call. If customer face any emergency or face any problems with the ride, so they can click on a SOS button. So the SOS entry submitted to the admin. Let's click on a pickup customer on a driver side. Pickup customer. Click reach to destination button and click complete ride. But the customer payment is pending, so first of all complete the payment from customer side. Click on a complete your payment button. Here you can see on a payment screen the subtotals, tip to your partner, the coupon option is showing. Click on a wallet and proceed. So the payment is done via wallet. Now payment is done, and click on a complete ride button. The ride is completed successfully. You can see the ride amount on a wallet balance. The ride amount is updated on a driver earnings. Driver can also check the ride history. Click on a ride and ride details. Here you can see the all ride details. the customer name, source, destination, location, payment details. And customer can also check the ride details. Go to the customer app and click on a rides menu. Click on a ride. Here the ride details is showing. So let's add the review for this ride. Click on add review. Give the 5-star rating. Add review. If customer have any complaints, then they can click on a complaint button. Add the complaint title and complaint description. Add the complaint title. Click on a complaint button to submit this complaint. Okay, so the complaint is submitted successfully, and admin can see this complaint and take any action on this complaint. Now let's book another ride, intercity ride. Click on intercity/outstation. Select the any intercity. I am choosing the Vadodara and select the source location. Select source location and click on a continue button. Select the vehicle type that you want to go with. So I am selecting SUV. Click on a book SUV. Here you can see the one way and round trip option and the date and time. As of now I am selecting one way book SUV. Select payment and click continue. Now this booking will go to the driver. Okay, so the ride is received on a driver side. Click on a accept button and check the driver details on a customer side. Okay, so on a customer side, here you can see the driver details are showing: driver name, driver car number, car name. Let's open a driver app and complete this ride. So click on a pick up customer button. Click on a reach to destination and click on a complete ride, but the payment is pending, so let's complete the payment. Click on a complete your payment button and complete the payment using wallet balance. Click on a proceed button. The payment is successful. Complete this ride. Click on a complete ride. So this ride is completed successfully. The intercity ride completed successfully. order amount is added on a driver wallet balance. Okay, so that's all for the cab service. Thank you.